I'm transferring my seedlings to my hydroponic tower. Do you see how long these are? You want to transfer anywhere 1 to 3 inches, making sure there's a couple leaves on there. If you do it any sooner, it's going to create a shock to the plant and most likely will die. I'm going to start more seeds. I have salad greens, salad bowl blend, and Swiss chard. I'm not a huge fan of Swiss chard, but that's my husband's favorite. For me personally, it's just more on the bitter side. And I'm going to be placing these seeds in the rockwool, and I've already used these for my last harvest. I'm going to repurpose them, use them again. So they're already cleaned out and they're already damp and ready to go. A method I like to use when working with really small seeds is water and a toothpick. Just makes it much easier to get the seeds in the rockwool. So now I'm going to transplant those seedlings to this tray. It's on a warming mat. And we have a little sprout here. So we're taking it to a tray that does not have a warming mat underneath it. The reason why you want to transfer it to a tray without a warming mat is if you keep that in the tray with the warming mat, it's going to cause stress to the plant. So as you can see, these are ready to be transferred to the hydroponic tower. And I've created a video tutorial how to create your own hydroponic tower, or you could purchase this one as well in my shop.